All right, so this discussion about new cats, old cats, old cats, new cats, yeah, it's kind of crazy because the real G's in this industry, they didn't talk, and one of them, Wande Coal. Wande Coal is an absolute gem of an artist. I know he did the numbers, he had the fan base, but I still look at him sometimes as an underachieved artist. When you look at his potential, when you look at his vocal ability, artistry, everything, he's just so amazing. And I just feel he didn't get to that level that he was supposed to get to. If not, all these new people with the talks that you get. So so I was really excited when I heard 16th of June 2023 he was going to be hosted, or he was going to perform it at TraceLive as the headliner, and the only artist to perform. That's how it goes. And so I made sure I was going to be there. And unfortunately for me, I got there kind of late, so I had to stay at the back. And really excited fans. The place was jam packed up. I've never seen that place as packed up as that. Young, not like was like from like 16, 17, 18 years old to like people in their 40s, like a whole wide range. Like if you have a product and it can appeal to that kind of range of people, then man, your product is sold. And that's what Wande Coal has. It was amazing, man. Performance. He started with the classics. Check it out. Let me not talk too much. Check it out and enjoy it first.
Big thank you to everybody that came out for Wande Coal. Yo, I'm overwhelmed. There's a lot of love. I love you guys so much, man. Nah, for real. And I had to come to this industry with a difference, and that's what I think I'll be able to do. But let me introduce you to Wande right now. Are you ready now? do that, you know. But you know, I always have my hidden talents, man. But guess what? We're about to tell the right now.
I have to apologize as well. I know you've seen the hands, the heads, the movement. It was really tight and really difficult, but I had to do it for you guys. So just continue enjoying us. most exciting songs like recently, obviously, and for a lot of us, it's Come My Way. And when he performed that, it was absolutely amazing. Now, one thing before I go into that, when normally during TraceLive, there's this question and answer segment, and I know the last time he was at TraceLive, he answered a lot of questions. He spoke about his past, how he was when he going to Moheads. You know, this was like 3 years ago, 2 years ago, and how Konga introduced him to Don Jazzy, and how that one went. The first time he got to travel to America, which is a really, really fun story. But this time around, it was just pure music, and you know, I loved the music, but I kind of wish he did do that, because you know that could be really informative as well, informing rather as well. So yeah, but this is Come My Way by WCZ. No, I will never sing like that again. And he closed the show with Talking La. Not one of my favorite Wande Coal songs, but it's still a great way to close an amazing, fantastic show. So I'm surprised as well. I know you're surprised that he didn't perform more songs off his new project, but it probably has his reasons. All in all, WC would always be goated. Fantastic. Let's know in the comment section what you feel about his performance. I know they want the money to come.